Anxiety or the feeling of uneasiness is one of the most commonly occurring disorders these days. Everybody goes through this situation at some point in their life. Anxiety can also mentally exhaust a person and have some serious impacts on the body. Here are 7 mindful tricks with which one can ease anxiety and calm their mind. 1. Set a target. You should always set an aim before initiating something. Setting a target helps you to remain focused and remind you why you are doing something. This will reduce the level of anxiety in one. 2. Meditate. Meditation calms down your mind and soul. You can easily practice meditation without spending a penny for an expensive class. You can easily download different types of meditation guide available online and get started. 3. Doodle or color. Take a break and indulge in some creative work. Doodling or coloring can prove to be a real stress buster. Coloring therapy is very popular these days and adult coloring books have become very popular in recent times. 4. Go for a walk. Taking a walk does wonders for anxiety. Listen to the sounds of the nature around you, feel the wind and forget about your worries. 5. Cut away from social media. Stop scrolling your social media account continuously. Social media also contributes to your anxiety and affects your productivity. Try and even cut away from it for some time. 6. Spend time with your loved ones. Nothing can help you as much as spending times with your loved ones. Sharing some quality times with your family and friends can reduce stress. Go out for dinner or spend some quality time at home. It is a natural stress reliever. 7. Listen to music. Music can calm your biggest worries. Music relaxes your mind and helps lower your blood pressure. Just listen to some good music and feel the difference. So these are the 7 mindful tips and tricks to reduce anxiety.